Hi everyone, Shari Dalton here, CEO and co-founder of Moxie Mentoring. I invite you to join us Wednesday, February 5th at 3 p.m. Eastern Time as we discuss setting KPIs for success in healthcare staffing. I have been in healthcare staffing for the last 15 years. I have worked in the trenches as a recruiter, I've managed teams of recruiters, and now I have the privilege of training recruiters at healthcare staffing companies across the country. And there is one question that almost always comes up when I meet with leadership teams. Shari, are we tracking the right metrics? Or what metrics should we be tracking? Metrics help us define the clear path to success for our recruiters. If you do these items, you will see success. Everyone knows that metrics are important, but tracking yesterday's metrics will not get you where you want to be tomorrow. And as technology changes the recruiting landscape in travel healthcare, the metrics your company tracks must evolve as well. But not all metrics are created equal, and there's not a one-size-fits-all formula for every single company. On this webinar, we'll dissect traditional metrics and trending metrics and help you find a formula for success for your agency. We'll also discuss how to use these targeted KPIs to coach and improve recruiter performance. I'm looking forward to the presentation, and I hope to see all of you there. Take care.